Hi my friends. 2 days ago the Inventor 2022 was released, as you can see on the screen. I managed to install it on my laptop, but not on this computer that I currently use. Let's see now what was the problem we had last year with Inventor 2021, and I will show you later how it is with the current error. In my tutorial number 109, I was curious if my problem from yesterday was solved, and I want you to see what is this problem. Yesterday we made this model pipe cross connector, which had sweep. This circular crown was to be swept on this steering curve, and the message was presented. Let's see what happens now when I use Autodesk Inventor Professional 2021. Sweep, select circular crown, select curve, and the message is present. Path does not intersect profile. It is recommended that for best results the profile intersects the path. Continue? Yes, I continue, but nothing was wrong with my simple sweep. So we will work together with this new release of Inventor, and we hope that any other problem were solved. And this is the solution from Inventor 2022. This image was taken from my laptop. Yes, I don't have it on this PC. The problem in 2022 was solved. Yes, we don't receive any message when we apply this sweep. In the meantime, on 30 March 2021, I received this message about the sweep command, which I reported to Autodesk. This behavior is indeed reproducible on 2022 and also in 2021 was. It is a bug. I have tried it on our internal build. The issue no longer happens. I believe it has been fixed. Many thanks. Of course, now it is. No problem. But now we have another one. I want to show you this procedure. You see, this is the file explorer in Windows 10. This PC has this, my PC has this disk with about half a free space. I go to this disk, Autodesk, because in the meantime I downloaded the full Inventor version, which is, for you to know, 12.4 gigabytes. Yes? Okay, I open this, I apply run as administrator, and the procedure is working. I agree terms of use. I agree the placement of these two. This is one of them. Autodesk, and this is another program data and program files. Next, and now I start installing with the software on my computer, yes, not coming from network to have problems with the net and so on. Install. It starts with these two. Zero, 1%. 0 again, and now crash. Yes, install failed, error 1603. That's all. What should I do? Here is all the procedure. I use this application to install Inventor. Additional components. The moment here is 1%. The error, and when I go back, install failed. I sent to Autodesk the report again, and I received an answer on 6 April 2021. Error usually means the install process was interrupted by network connection. Please use download now. I used this, download now. I used a lot of other suggestions and nothing happens. I'm sorry. Then install from local drive. What I did? I did install from my disk C. Yes? So I expect another answer from Autodesk, and I'll keep you in touch to know what about this. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.